to Leetcode Simplified. I'm Alan, and today we're walking through Leetcode 100 SameTree. The problem is simple. Given two binary trees, we want to check if they are the same. That means they have the same structure and corresponding nodes have the same value. We will use recursion approach. Recursively traverse down each subtree at the same time and compare its pairs of nodes. There are three possible cases that can happen. Case 1. If both nodes are none, that means we reach the end of this branch and everything matched so far, so we return true. Case 2. If two corresponding nodes are not structurally identical, that means one node exists but the other doesn't. Or both exist but their values are different. We return false. Case 3. The two corresponding nodes match. We now recursively compare their left children. And then recursively compare their right children. And return the result of both comparison. And that's the full logic. Let's walk through the three below example to visually see how this works. Given a binary tree with a root node value 1 and a second binary tree also with root node value 1, we want to check if they are the same. Okay. So we call the function SameTree with the root nodes of both trees. This node exists, and their values are the same. So we continue, check their left children F2 and 2, and check their right children F3, 3. At F22, we compare this node and this node. Their values are the same, so continue. Check their left children, F none, none, and their right children also F none, none. F none, none, so we are checking these two nodes. Because P and Q is none, then we return true. F none none here also return true. Similarly, function F33, we are checking these two nodes, this node and this node. Their values are the same, so we continue checking their left children and their right children. Left children are none and none, and right children also none and none. Just like before, we know that if both nodes are none, return true for that function. So F none none return true. At this stage, no more call, so we combine final answers true. Let's take a look at the next example. First, we call SameTree on the two root nodes 1 and 1. Both node 1 have the same value. So continue proceeding, checking their left children and their right children. F2 none and F none 2. F2 none will check node 2 and none and return false. Because the AND operator, the whole process terminates and return false. Moving on to the last example, example 3. Just like above, we first call the function SameTree on the two root nodes 1 and 1. Both nodes 1s are the same, so F11 continue calling their left children F21 and their right children F12. F21 compare the value 2 and value 1 of the two nodes. Of course they are different, so F21 return false. And since we have the logical operator AND in our return, so we have early return false. Don't need to proceed any further at this point. We just went through 3 examples. We walked down both trees at the same time, comparing each pair of nodes. If both nodes are none, we good. If one is missing or their values don't match, we return false right away. Otherwise, we keep checking both left and right subtrees. Alright, it's time to submit. Boom! Accepted. So that's how the recursive SameTree function works. It's a clean and elegant solution that really shows power of recursion for 3 problems. You found this helpful, feel free to check out the other binary tree videos on the channel. I'm Alan and this is Leetcode Simplified.